My child, lately, you have been carrying more than most people realize. You keep showing up. You keep doing what needs to be done. You answer the messages. You meet the responsibilities. You keep moving forward. And because you keep functioning, people assume you are okay. Sometimes, even you assume you are okay. But my child, there is a difference between functioning and being at peace. There is a difference between surviving and truly living. And lately, you have become very good at surviving. So good, in fact, that you hardly notice how tired you are anymore. You wake up already thinking about what needs to be done. You move from one responsibility to another, one conversation to another, one problem to another, and somewhere in the middle of all that movement, your own heart quietly falls behind. Not because you stopped caring, not because you became weak, but because you have been carrying too much for too long. You have learned how to smile while exhausted, how to help others while needing help yourself, how to say, "I'm okay," when what you really mean is, "I'm tired. I'm overwhelmed. I don't know how much longer I can keep doing this." My child, I know about the tiredness you do not talk about, the kind that sleep does not fix, the kind that follows you into quiet rooms, the kind that sits beside you even on good days, the kind that makes you wonder, why does everything feel heavier than it used to? I saw the nights when your body was exhausted but your mind refused to rest. I saw the conversations you replayed over and over. I saw the pressure you carried silently. I saw the moments when you felt responsible for things that were never yours to hold. You thought no one noticed. I noticed. You thought no one understood. I understood. That is why I interrupted you. Not because you are failing. Not because you are in trouble. Not because I want something from you. I interrupted you because there are parts of your heart that have been asking for rest for a very long time. And before you buried that tiredness any deeper, I wanted you to know, I see it. I see you. My child, you have been trying to hold everything together. You carry responsibilities. You carry expectations. You carry fears about the future. You carry regrets from the past. You carry worries that have not even happened yet. And you keep telling yourself, once I solve this problem, then I will rest. Once things calm down, then I will breathe. Once everyone else is okay, then I will think about myself. But somehow, there is always another problem, another responsibility, another reason to postpone your own peace. My child, peace was never meant to be the reward waiting for you at the end of exhaustion. Peace was meant to walk beside you, even here, even now, even in the middle of unfinished problems.
You do not have to earn rest. You do not have to deserve kindness.
You do not have to prove your value through exhaustion. The world may celebrate burnout. I do not. The world tells you, do more, move faster, be stronger, never stop. But I tell you, breathe, rest, slow down. You are not a machine. You are a soul. My child, there are burdens you were never meant to carry alone. Some of them do not belong to you at all. Some belong to tomorrow. Some belong to other people. Some belong to me. Yet you keep carrying them anyway. And then you wonder why your heart feels heavy. You were never supposed to hold the whole world together. You were never supposed to control every outcome. You were never supposed to have all the answers. You were never supposed to save everyone. You are not failing because you are tired. You are tired because you have been trying to do things no human being was created to do. My child, there is a reason your shoulders feel heavy. There is a reason your mind never stops racing. There is a reason peace feels so distant sometimes. You have been holding on to things that need to be placed down. Put down the pressure. Put down the fear. Put down the responsibility for everyone else's happiness. Put down the need to control every outcome. Put down the belief that everything depends on you. Because it does not. My child, I have carried worlds into existence. I can carry this too. The future that scares you. The answer you cannot see. The problem you cannot solve. The door that refuses to open. The prayer that still feels unanswered. None of these are too heavy for me. Maybe that is why I interrupted you today. Not to take something from you, but to take something off your shoulders. You do not need to know how everything will work out. You only need enough light for the next step. And when that step comes, I will give you enough light for the one after that too. My child, stop trying to carry tomorrow before tomorrow arrives. Stop reliving yesterday after yesterday has already passed. There is grace for today. Stay here. Breathe here. Live here. And if your heart is tired today, say these words with me. Lord, I release what I cannot control. I release what was never mine to carry. I place my fears into your hands. Teach me to trust you with what I cannot see. Teach me to rest. Teach me to breathe again. Amen. My child, I did not interrupt you because I was angry. I interrupted you because I love you. I interrupted you because I saw how tired you were becoming. I interrupted you because I refused to let you disappear beneath burdens that were never meant to belong to you. And if you remember only one thing from today, remember this. You are not alone. You are not forgotten. And you do not have to carry all of this by yourself anymore. Because, my child, I interrupted you for a reason, and that reason was love.